Well, good morning. Here we are, we're on the banks of Headfen fishery again. Overcast, a bit mizzly, but for a Saturday morning it's supposed to brighten up a little bit, so shouldn't be too bad. Run you through what I'm doing today. 2-pole rig set up. I'm fishing 8 metres on the bottom, and I'm also fishing in the margins. On the 8 metre rig I'm fishing a 0.5 gram Dino steel inline float. As like you know, I've been using these lately. Absolutely brilliant floats, nice and strong, perfect for carp fishing. Again, I'm using the Dino Fluoro Green Hollow. I've got a bulk number 8 shot, one number 8 dropper, 0.6 of a float, and a Tubertini 175 series 3. That's 018 main line and 6-inch 018 hook length. On the crunching rig, again, got a Tubertini series 3 175, bulk of 6 number 8. This time a 0.5 Dino steel float, and trying today some of the Dino Hollow proper crunching gear. That's 2.9 mil, so I mean, in comparison to the green, I'll just show you on the bottom end of there, you can see it's definitely some proper crunching gear. Like I say, I'm fishing that down the edge. Let's put that back on there. On the bait front, I've got the absolutely brilliant Bait-Tech and Dino Polony meat. That's cubed into 8mm cubes. Like I say, I'm fishing that on the hook, fishing out and also down the edge. I've also set up a pellet feeder, which is there, just with a little rubber stop bead, 6-inch 017 size 16 QM1 in a band. On the pellet feeder, I'm using 2mm Bait-Tech krill pellets, which I've also put some of the Bait-Tech juice on, just to give it that little bit more stickiness. Main line there is Maverstone River 022, which I believe breaks at about £15. Similar sort of setup on here, but I'm just fishing a bomb, the 2-foot hook length, again a band, size 16 hook, and I'm just feeding some 11 mils, and I'll fish 11 mil on the hook, or also possibly one of these, which are the new Bait-Tech Polony dumbbells. These are a 10 mil. You all know what, reading the angling press, how good Polony was last year, so it took the angling world by storm, won a lot of awards for it, so hopefully might get a few fish on this today as well. In the edge itself, I'm feeding ground bait. This stuff, this is new for this year, which is the Bait-Tech Big Carp Method Mix Polony ground bait. Very similar to all the Polony range. This is aimed more at the match side of things. Like I say, I'm feeding that down the edge, down at about 7 metres, between 7 and 8 metres. So hopefully I might get 1 or 2 fish. Like I say, it's a bit overcast today, a bit mizzly, but should be warming up a little bit later on. So hopefully we'll get 1 or 2 fish. So I'm going to start putting a little bit of bait in the edge, go on a pellet feeder, so put theory into practice and see how we get on. Oosh.